Chicago Bulls. Wendell Carter Jr. out of Duke, going to Chicago. Smart player, always seems to know where he needs to be. I think he's a good fit with Chicago Bears. 13.5 points per game with Duke.
He is the perfect fit for the Chicago Bulls. Perfect fit. And I'm calling my shot because all you Bulls fans out there on YouTube telling me they don't need a power forward or a center, you are so wrong. Neither Lauri Markkanen or Bobby Portis play defense. They're two of the worst defenders at the power forward position in the entire NBA. You want to know what Wendell Carter Jr. brings you? Probably the best defensive big coming out of college this year. He is Al Horford 2.0. I don't know what his offensive ceiling is. I don't think you're ever going to see him average over 18 points per game at the NBA level. That's fine. You don't need him to if you're the Bulls, because that's what Lauri Markkanen is for. But Wendell Carter Jr., he has an unbelievable ability to defend multiple positions, the 3, the 4, or the 5. Very few weaknesses. Great all-around player on both ends of the court. Fun passer as well for a guy of his size. I like seeing what he can do with the ball in his hand. But again, he can finish with either hand. And also, he's Al Horford. Like, I know I just said that, but again, he is Al Horford. And that's a great thing if you're the Bulls. He's stable, he's smart, he's safe, and he plays defense. Defense. Great pick for the Bulls. Fred Hoiberg plus Wendell Carter Jr. is a match made in heaven. I love this pick for them.
Okay, all right. Well, Wendell Carter Jr. going to the Chicago Bulls there at number 7. It was kind of unfortunate, Harris, because he played second fiddle, if you will, to Marvin Bagley, of course, his teammate there at Duke. But really a fantastic selection there for Chicago. Wendell Carter Jr. going to the Windy City.